How to transfer players on Fantasy Premier League. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your PL application from your device and get logged into your FPL account. From here, tap onto Fantasy option from your bottom bar menu. Then you will see Transfers option. Tap Open it. Now at this page, tap on any player that you would like to replace. Tap on Replace. Now choose the player that is within your budget. If you would like to restore what you did, then tap onto the same player again, then tap on Restore Player. Once you're satisfied with your replacement, tap on to Next, then tap on Confirm. Just like so, this is how you can transfer players on your FPL league. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below.